Jelena Ojeda is an American model, interpro, and a social media celebrity. She is famous for music, physical, and Instagram posts. Jelena name and fame on Instagram. With her gorgeous photos on Instagram, she has more than 12 million followers, 7 million on other platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Jelena has millions of fans. Apart from being social media celebrity, she is an interpro. Name Jelena Ojeda, nickname Jelena, birthplace Arizona, USA. Date of birth January 9, 1998. Age 23 years. Zodiac sign Capricorn. Religion Christianity. Nationality American. Profession model, interpro, and social media celebrity. Jelena Ojeda. Height 5 feet 6 inches and her weight approx 64 kg. She is an active girl with a brown eye and black hair. Jelena gets hooked up and popular on social media, especially on Instagram, with her amazing physique and beauty. She is a big model after gaining success on Instagram. Some brands such as Calvin Klein, Guys and Gabe feature her on their cover. In addition to this, Jelena has been part of this music video to slang remorse. Jelena is connected with the Southwest modeling agencies. She has appeared in various chemical and ad. Soon Jelena is going to begin photo for the big brand magazine fan. Jelena Ojeda hails from Arizona, USA. Jelena Ojeda has 1 million followers on TikTok. She has over 12 million followers on Instagram. She has gained over 183k subscribers on YouTube. Jelena loves beaches and ocean. Australia is her favorite holiday destination. Black is her favorite color. She is a dog lover and owns pet dog. As from now, 2021, Jelena is emotional to be 5 million ways she earned by modeling, business chemical, and brand investment. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.